Guys, what's up guys? So, welcome to the PC and Toys 2 Part 2 is the final, that's it. Are you guys so today? Alright, so I'll put a phone. Ultra 4. Alright, so breaking news! We had a stolen vehicle! The engine wasn't working! Oh, that pop out! I was going to move out of the way. That die. That's so fast. I got so. No, damn it. Oh, yes, no, I got the phone. The backward. Now I got a phone. Ugh, this damage. Ugh. Well, knocked out the phone. Alright. Alright, so. Whoa. Cargo. Ha! Wow, this damage. Whoa, it does sting. Alright. Go crash. Alright guys, so I think I'll wrap up. Thank you guys for watching. Making sure subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.